crystal pearl coat. It has the Morocco black premium leather interior. It is powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It is of course 4-wheel drive. Has a 20-inch polished aluminum wheels. Does have the command view panorama sunroof, the unique LED driving lights with adaptive xenon high intensity discharge headlamps. Has front and rear park assist parking sensors, park view backup camera. It also has the adaptive cruise control. Does have forward collision warning with cross path detection. It also has blind spot monitoring. This vehicle does have the Quadra-Lift air suspension. Let's go and take a look at the interior. Alright, so inside we have power fold-away heated mirrors with auto dimming feature, power windows with auto one touch up and down for the driver and front passenger, and door locks. This vehicle does have the 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, 2 driver memory, 8-way power driver and passenger seat with 4-way adjustable lumbar support. Both front seats are both heated and ventilated. Rear seats are heated. Does have automatic headlamps, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Alright, we're just going to pan through the interior just to show a little bit more detail. On the steering wheel, you have your buttons for your reconfigurable multi-view display, your Uconnect and voice recognition. On the right hand side, you have your cruise control as well as your adaptive cruise. It does have the reconfigurable multi-view display. One really nice thing about this vehicle, it does have the full leather stitched dash. It's Poltrona Frau leather. .4-inch touchscreen display. It does have Garmin base navigation. Of course, it has the park view backup camera with dynamic guidance lines. Moving on down, you have your audio and climate control buttons repeated. You've also got your Park Sense power buttons, your adaptive cruise, and your economy mode on. Illuminated front cup holders. Your 4-wheel drive system with your Quadra-Lift controls. Inside the armrest, you have your Blu-ray disc player and a 12-volt power point. Now this vehicle is equipped with a panorama command view sunroof, and another thing that's kind of hard to see on the Summit, and it's only available on the Summit, is an Alcantara headliner. Has a more suede-like feeling to it. It's also on the sun visors as well. On the overhead panel, you have your HomeLink universal garage door opener, your panorama sunroof shade control, and your glass control. You've also got map lights, front and back. Sunglasses holder. Alright, we're just going to do a brief overview of the Harman Kardon sound system.
My crew knows what to do with you when the day is through, and you have not followed the signs we've laid out for you, 'cause you're too busy checking off.
It just sounds really amazing. One thing I did forget to show was inside the center console, right before the cup holders, you do have an auxiliary port, a USB port, an SD card reader, and a 12-volt power point. Those are all for the Uconnect system. Alright, taking a look at the rear seat. The open pore wood continues. This is actual genuine wood on the Summit. Very cross seating. Perforated leather. Also got fold down center armrest with integrated cup holders with chrome accents. The Summit embroidery on the seat backs. Of course, rear seat passengers have their own air vents that have positionals. Both you have USB ports, a 115 volt power outlet, and heated seats. Another very unique thing for this, it does have the seat back mounted DVD player. You've got your AV controls on either side of the seat backs. HDMI. Alright, this vehicle does have a power folding liftgate. Does have a removable, rechargeable flashlight that mounts in the trim panel. Brushed stainless steel floor guards. Full-size spare tire with jack. We've also got various tie-down hooks, grocery bag hooks, 12-volt power point. You've also got your subwoofer for the Harman Kardon system. There's also a tonneau cover. Power liftgate switch is located on the left-hand side of the trim panel. Alright, take a look at the passenger side. Alrighty, this does conclude our quick walk around look at this 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit. If you have any questions or would like to see this vehicle, please contact our showroom. One of our friendly sales staff will be more happy to answer any questions you may have. And as always,